What's up, guys? You know what I always say, just another quick video, and I am so disappointed that I have to make this video. But if I could save someone their hard-earned money, then I'm gonna do that. So as you all know, I was so excited to start this series about Myavana. I ordered the kit back, I want to say June 20th. Today is September 1st. I have not received my results yet, and I've reached out to the company quite a few times. And the last time I've heard from them was July 27th when they told me that they received my results. July 27th. Today is September 1st. I've sent them several emails between July 27th and today. I have not gotten any updates. I haven't gotten anything except an auto reply saying, "We value you and thank you for reaching out to the Myavana team." So, like I said in my previous video, I get it. COVID is wreaking havoc. However, I use my hard-earned money to support this business. I was really excited, and all I'm asking for is an update. That's a common courtesy. I should have been had the results. We're going on to June, July, August, 2 months. We're going into the third month and I still don't have my hair results. Like, tell me something. Tell me we lost it. Tell me we'll send you another kit. Like, give me something. But so yeah, I'm disappointed I have to make this post. I'm frustrated. It's very unfortunate. But that's just my experience. And if I was asked, would you recommend Myavana? No, I would not, because I can't, because I haven't received my kit to even try the product. But I was trying to be, patient, because in the beginning they were responsive, but now I'm not getting anything. So I'm just real disappointed. So me personally, I wanted to support. This is my experience. I would not recommend it. Try another hair company that does the same thing. Leave your comments below if you have any questions, but that's just, this is probably going to be my last update, because I haven't heard anything, like I said, and I'm probably out of my money. So yeah, until the next video, guys, peace out.